Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. All right. So earlier tonight, I recorded sort of our entire project. Just going to focus on my stuff right now. And I had a couple of technical issues that I have resolved. So I'm going to log in as myself. And I just want to show password, right? All right. So I have pretty much built the admin site for our team. Everything outside the certificates I built. And I built the original drafts of the certificates as well. But what I'm going to be displaying for SPRINT3 is all the security logs. So we're now logging, everyone logging in and logging out. We are now taking API logs from every time somebody makes a query to specific APIs, we are now can log and present those to the administrator. And we're also logging all the learn actions. So all that stuff is new, and we didn't demonstrate it last time. We have built an internal administrator portal, and this includes a utilities page. So you can go in and look at all the APIs, including Swagger. And this stuff is kind of cool. So if you click on Swagger, you can see our actions here. So we have this page, which is we've had since roughly Valentine's Day, but is now pointing at the right things. So we have the utility, we call that a utilities page. We have a training page, and the training page has things that we think we needed for this project. So when I saw something I thought our team needed, I put in a learn module. And when you click on the learn modules, it populates your log files. So I will show you that in a little while, but in any event, this is here. And I did demonstrate that for SPRINT2, so that is not new. But what is new is we're sort of in an HTML format. So we reskinned the home page. So I've shown you learn. I've showed you the utilities. You can get to the profile from here. I added a customer care page, and you can now enter a trouble ticket. So that was all my work. So that is all new. I have built a website to manage unified communications. So you can now, as an administrator, get to your mail, which is always important when you're in a company. And then we have a super user portal, which has all the reports. So I built certificate reports by company, by branch, and they do group buys. And I did it by manager, by business unit, and by region. So when you put a certificate in, you can code those based on who's logged in. So if we get the right user information populated, if we do that process right, when you create a certificate, all of that data is populated and we get very good reports. So in this particular case, those reports are significant improvements since our SPRINT2 demonstration. We've added new security on the public internet site. So I'm logged in as an admin, but not a super user. So it's now checking that. So you can't get to the super user tools because my role is below that. But I did demonstrate all those in previous sprints, so I'm not going to do it again today. We have a new bulk upload, and what this does, you can essentially upload files to Azure, and it gives you a nice report back. And this goes to the Azure blob. We're not showing the entire file structure there, but this uses an API that I built for this sprint. So the new file upload API I wrote, and that's now included in the repo. So we have done that. And we've also, I did sort of a fancy thing, and that we can now download all of the certs that are in the database. And once we've downloaded them, we have a nice button that opens them up as comma separated values, and then you can go in and change the data. So that is very cool. Thank you very much. So those are the things that I have done since the last sprint. Significant amount of work that went into that. We also have pretty much rebuilt the entire site on HTML only. And so that site